Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send bulk emails at once on MailChimp. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to create your audience. So log in into your MailChimp account, navigate to the audience tab and either select an existing audience or create a new one by importing your contacts. And then design your campaign. Go to the campaigns tab, click on create campaign, choose email and select regular for a standard email campaign. Use the email builder to design your email, adding content, images and links as needed. And then you have to segment your audience. So if you want to target, by the way, this is optional, so if you want to target specific groups, use the segment option to filter your audience based on criteria like location, engagement or purchase history. And then you have to set up campaign settings. So fill in the campaign details like the campaign name, subject line, and from name address review your settings to ensure everything is accurate. And the last step is to send or schedule your campaign. So once you are satisfied with the email, click on send to dispatch it immediately or choose schedule to set a future date and time for sending. By following these steps, you can efficiently send bulk emails to your audience using MailChimp. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.